a city that offers a harmonious blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and scientific innovation, known as the capital of Alps. Grenoble is in the heart of the French Alps. Grenoble is surrounded by three majestic mountain ranges, the Vercors, Chamrousse, and Baladon, creating a stunning backdrop that captivates both residents and visitors. First thing first, Grenoble is famous for its winter sports, so let's go to the ski resort Chamrousse. Take bus from center or go by your own car. It's just 30 kilometers southeast of Grenoble. Chamrousse Ski Resort is a charming and a popular winter sports destination located in Baladon mountain range, known for its stunning alpine scenery and excellent skiing condition. Chartreuse gained international fame as the site for several alpine skiing events during 1968 Winter Olympics. At Chamrousse, you can not just do skiing and snowboarding, it also offers a range of other winter activities such as snowshoeing, dog sledging, and ice climbing. If you're more innovative, you can go to cross country also. Remember, you have to visit in winter for this. The next place you can visit is Musée de Grenoble. The museum is renowned for its extensive and diverse collection spanning from ancient to contemporary art. Established in 1798, it stands one of the oldest and the most distinguished art institutions in the country. The museum's ancient art collection includes work from ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome, feature artifact sculptures, and poetry that offers a glimpse into early civilizations. The museum is particularly noted for its impressive collection of European paintings from the 13th to the 20th centuries. It includes works by masters such as Rubens, Rembrandt, and Goya. The 19th century section features romantic, realistic, and impressionist work with notable places by Delacroix, Monet, and Gouache. It also has modern art collection which includes significant work by Picasso, Matisse, and Leger. The museum visit is completely free and must do if you are in Grenoble. If you are into adventure, cycling, and mountain riding in Grenoble is what is called a daily activity here. Grenoble is a perfect city to explore by bike. Flat, relatively compact with plenty of cycle lanes. There's no shortage of bike stands around the city, so you can easily lock your bikes while you go into the cafe or shop or visit a museum. Pick up a free bike map before you head off. You can also go to mountain bike trails in the Chartreuse, Vercors, and Baladon Massif, providing trailing off-road adventure through forest, valleys, and rugged terrains. Bike rental shops and repair service are readily available, catering to tourists and locals. Next is street art. Grenoble has become a vibrant hub for street art, earning recognition as an open-air gallery. The city's embrace of urban art is evident. It's in numerous murals, graffiti, reflecting a dynamic and evolving artistic scene. It was in 2015 that street art took a new momentum and it placed in the streets of Grenoble metropolis with the launch of the Street Art Fest Grenoble Alps. Specific areas such as District of Berriat and Creative Space Les Magasins, the wall of MC2 Culture Center and various university buildings are the hotspot for the street art. The next is Téléphérique or cable car. Is one of the city's most iconic attractions. Operating since 1934, it is one of the oldest urban cable cars in the world and must visit for anyone exploring Grenoble. The cable car connects the heart of the Grenoble to the historic Bastille fortress, perched on a hilltop overlooking the city. The ride offers breathtaking panoramic views of Grenoble, the Isère River, and the surrounding Alps, make it favorite for photographers and sightseers. The cable car cabins offers referred as bubble or spherical transparent, providing an unobstructed 360 view during the ascent and descent. The design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, enhancing an overall experience. At the summit, visitors can explore the Bastille, a 19th century military fortifications with a rich museum. The site includes museum, exhibition spaces, and walking trails. The best thing, it operates till late night during summer seasons. Next to cable car, there's an iconic bridge called St-Laurent Footbridge, built in 1837 and modernized in 1909. It is located where the first bridge of the city once stood in 11th century. This original bridge was often destroyed by Ezer River water level. The bridge was for a long time the only passenger over Ezer River until the floods of 1651. It's a beautiful place to walk and you can spend your evenings. Cathedral Notre-Dame de Grenoble, situated in the heart of the city historic center. It's a remarkable example of Gothic architecture and a significant landmark with a deep historical and religious root. The cathedral's original date back to 9th century, making it one of the Grenoble's oldest religious sites. It has undergone numerous renovations and expansion over the centuries, reflecting various architect styles, primarily Gothic. Its serene environment provides a place for reflection and appreciation of Grenoble's rich culture. Cathedral Notre-Dame de Grenoble stands as testament to the city's historical depth and architectural beauty, offering visitors a glimpse into the spiritual culture and legacy. And the last one is hiking and is one of the best activity around here. There are many hiking trails around Grenoble. Hiking in Grenoble offers breathtaking experience with trails that caters all levels, set against the stunning backdrop of French Alps. Popular hiking includes ascent to the Bastille for the panoramic views of Grenoble and the more challenging trek to the Grand Colonne and Belladone range. Trails like Chemin de Bastille are accessible from the city center, making Grenoble a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Grenoble is one of the cities that has developed the most bike paths for the bicycles. Beyond the hypercenter, the tram allows you to move at any time of the day very quickly and comfortably. The bus network is efficient and some can take to the mountains to go hiking, skiing, climbing, or just go home. If this video has given you some ideas for your visit to Grenoble, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next one.